Hey guys, it's Miss Sprunger. I just wanted to go over this problem with you all. This is combining like terms with equation solving. So when we see combining like terms, we know we see it because we see a lot of stuff happening. Notice that we see that equal sign in the middle, so that tells us that we're going to do some equation solving. We see some variables and stuff going on. So my tips for approaching this are first to identify your constants, which are your numbers that don't have the letters, and your variable terms that do have the letters. So what I mean by this is a positive n, or a positive 1n, that's our variable term. I'm going to look for any other variable terms, 3n and negative 3n. Okay, so those are going to be my variable terms. Then I'm going to highlight or circle my constant terms so that they are separated. And I think this is a really good visual of what's kind of going on. So once we have identified them, we're going to go ahead and draw that wall down the middle of our equal sign so that we remember to do each step on both sides. So first we're going to look at the left side. So we're focusing on this side right here. And we're trying to think to ourselves, what can we combine? Well, we can't combine 2 and n. That's not going to work because those are two different types of terms. However, when it says combining like terms, we can combine the green terms, which would be 2 plus 3. Well, 2 plus 3, when we combine those, gives us 5. I like to cross them out so that I know that we already combined them. Then we're going to go ahead and bring down that plus n, bring down our equal sign, and then let's look at the right side. Well, I'm noticing here that we can combine green terms. We've got several green terms and several yellow terms. Well, negative 8 plus 6, when we plug that into our calculator, that's going to give us a negative 2. Okay, when we do plus n or a positive n minus 3n, those actually cancel out. If you do 3 minus 3 in your calculator, it's just going to give you 0. So you can either write plus 0n or you can just write nothing. There's no n's on that side anymore. So actually, we have just taken a complicated problem and really reduced it down to something way simpler. Okay, so I'm going to highlight my constants again. We've still got constants on either side of the equal sign, and we need to get that positive 1 in by itself. Well, in order to do that, we need to move all of our constants to the other side, which would be that positive 5. So since there's no minus sign or negative in front of it, it's going to be a positive 5. So to move a positive 5, we have to do the inverse or the opposite, which is going to be subtract 5. Now, whatever step we do on one side, we have to make sure we're doing on the other side. Okay, plus 5 minus 5 cancels. We're going to go ahead and bring down n equals, and then we've got negative 2 minus 5 is going to give us a negative 7. Okay, I always suggest you guys draw a box around your final answer, especially once things start getting lengthy. All right, I hope this helped, guys. Thanks.